I'm so old, I can remember when the highest court in the world, the International Court of Justice, found Israel plausibly to be guilty of genocide, a very high crime indeed. They ordered Israel to cease and desist the practices which they had plausibly decided was tantamount to the crime of genocide, for which people were hanged at the Nuremberg Tribunal at the end of the Second World War. I'm so old, I remember the chief prosecutor of the International Criminal Court asking the court for arrest warrants for the Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu and his Defense Minister Yoav Gallant. I know that you're asking yourselves, when could all this possibly have happened back in the mists of history? But actually, it was barely 6 months ago. Nothing, absolutely nothing, has happened as a result of both of these phenomena, which were rare indeed. Israel has never been condemned so comprehensively by a court and by a chief prosecutor of the much exalted International Criminal Court. I was in Parliament when they set it up. They talked about it as if it was a new messiah of some kind, that it was a burst of sunshine on a lawless world that was going to transform international relations. But it seems you have to be either an African or a Serbian to end up on trial before the International Criminal Court. Has all of that led you to the conclusion that international law, treaties, and all the rest of it are just lipstick on the proverbial pig? Well, I think so, although my guest in this show may well have a different take. That's what Have It Out with Galloway is all about.